Hi guys, this week we're going to be talking about graphs. And when we think about a graph, we can think of it as an easy way to organize or put together information or data that we have collected from a source. So maybe we've taken a survey, we've asked our friends some questions, maybe something like what is their favorite food or their favorite animal, and we now want a way to put all that information together. We can do that with a graph. This week, we're going to be talking about two types of graphs. We're going to be talking about a pictograph and a bar graph, and you'll see those on the screen right now. So let's take a look at the pictograph and the bar graph, and let's think about the way they are different, okay? If you'll notice over here, the pictograph uses pictures to show data, and the bar graph uses bars. So that is one of the main differences between a pictograph and a bar graph. Today, we are going to specifically look at how to make one of these graphs. So how to get some information of our own and put it together on a chart or a graph so that the information we got is easy to read. We're going to start with the pictograph and then we're going to move to the bar graph. Okay, so go ahead and find two things in your packet. The first thing you're going to need is making graphs, and it looks something like this. And then the second one you're going to want to find says rock, paper, scissors, shoot at the top, okay? Again, you're going to want the one that says making graphs, favorite color at the top. It looks just like this. And then you're going to want to find the one that says rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So go ahead and grab those and come back, and we're going to take a look at those together.